All right, picture this. The world's best drivers, engines screaming, hearts pounding, and 20 Formula One cars lined up on the grid. The lights go red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just like that, they're off, exploding down the straight at speeds that make your head spin. Honestly, Formula One isn't just fast, it's outrageously, blindingly fast. These machines, these works of art, can go over 200 miles per hour. 0 to 60, about 2.5 seconds. Blink and you'll literally miss it. But it's not just about mashing the throttle. F1 is a wild mix of split-second decisions, strategies and nerves of steel. Imagine being inches away from your closest rival, both of you hurtling into a corner at insane speeds, tyres barely gripping the track. You're fighting physics, fighting each other, and fighting yourself to stay focused. This is where legends are made, where drivers like Hamilton, Verstappen, and Leclerc take risks that seem insane to the rest of us. And behind the scenes, the teams Ferrari, Red Bull, McLaren are locked in a technological arms race. Millions spent, hundreds of engineers obsessed with shaving off tenths of a second. Every detail matters. Aerodynamics, tyre choice, fuel strategy, even a single perfect pit stop can flip a race on its head. That's the magic. Every lap is a chess match at 200 miles per hour. And the drama? Oh, it's constant. Maybe it's a daring overtake. Two cars side by side, sparks flying, one driver just barely pulling ahead. Or maybe it's the weather. One moment it's sunny, the next rain is pouring, and suddenly everyone's rushing in for new tyres. The entire race can change in a heartbeat. And the drivers? They're athletes in the truest sense, enduring insane G-forces, sweating buckets, staying laser-focused for nearly 2 hours. One tiny mistake, one missed braking point. That's it, race over. But when it all comes together, when that final lap approaches and the gap is just a few tenths of a second, the tension is unreal. I'm talking edge of your seat, can't look away drama. That's why F1 is the ultimate thrill ride. It's speed, danger, bravery, and pure competition every single weekend. No other sport combines so much skill, technology, and adrenaline. So if you're hooked on the excitement, if you love the drama and the noise and the spectacle, don't forget to hit subscribe here at Men on the Move. I'll be here with more racing stories, wild machines, and everything that makes motorsport the most electrifying show on earth. Now, let's get back to the action. Now, let's get back